Hello there, you're watching At the Bench with Norgen Biotek. Today, we will be demonstrating the step-by-step workflow for the Plasma Serum Exosome Purification Maxi Kit, catalog number 57600. This kit does not require time-consuming ultracentrifugation, filtration, or special syringes. Precipitation reagents, overnight incubation, and protease treatment are also not required for this procedure. This kit has a versatile sample input ranging from 4 milliliters to 10 milliliters. Purified exosomes are free from any contaminants or RNA-binding proteins. This kit will include a detailed product insert, exo-C buffer, slurry E, exo-R buffer, and mini filter spin columns assembled with 2 milliliter tubes. Let's get started. To 10 milliliters of plasma or serum, add 30 milliliters of nuclease-free water, followed by the addition of 1 milliliter of exo-C buffer. Mix slurry E well prior to use. To the mixture from the previous step, add 600 microliters of slurry E. Mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Let stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. Mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Centrifuge for 2 minutes at 2000 RPM. Discard the supernatant. Apply 600 microliters of XOR buffer to the slurry pellet and mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds. Incubate the slurry pellet resuspended in the 600 microliters of XOR buffer at room temperature for 15 minutes. After incubation, mix well by vortexing for 10 seconds, then centrifuge for 2 minutes at 500 RPM. Transfer the supernatant to a mini filter spin column assembled with a 2 milliliter tube and centrifuge for 1 minute at 6000 RPM. Do not discard the flow-through, which contains your purified exosomes. Exosomes that have been purified using this kit can be used in transmission electron microscopy, nanoparticle tracking analysis, Western blotting, microarrays, liquid chromatography, mass spectroscopy, exosomal RNA purification, and more. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time, at the bench.